Regulation time, we'll see what happens here. Jake Knott at quarterback, one protector back. Knott's going to let it fly. Here it goes. It is in the air, and it is caught.
Oh, my God.
Oh, my goodness. What
it is.
Gerard steps up, fires, Mike Sims Walker, knocked down. Oh, he caught it! Oh, unbelievable! Mike Thomas, touchdown, Jag!
A half minute to play in the fourth quarter. Miller flushed, wants to throw. Now he's going to do what he can with his legs. No, he will throw. Lobs it to the end zone. Touchdown! Devin Smith.
Three-man rush. Cousins on the last play of regulation. Chucks it to the end zone. Caught! Michigan State's caught it on a rebound.
3 seconds left. 3rd and 10 at the SMU 41-yard line. McMahon all the way back in his own 46. Throwing for the end zone. Receivers are there. Defenders are there. It is in the end zone. Who has the ball? Touchdown! Touchdown! They got to call timeout. They wind the clock. 9 seconds to play, and Drew Tate doesn't know that. The game's going to end on this play. He fires downfield. It's caught, and into the end zone. Touchdown, Iowa! Touchdown, Iowa! No time on the clock. I don't believe what I just saw.
Have all cylinders going. Stanback going to chuck one deep. And it is caught! And it's a Husky touchdown by Craig Chambers with no...
Seconds left. Here's Jim Hawthorne of LSU. 3-man rush. Randall stops, throws it as far as he can. Count! Touchdown! Jackpot! Caught it and scored! Last play of the game, I don't believe it! I do not believe it! More guys over there. 3 wide outs at the top of the picture. Stewart with time. Lets it go. He's got 3 people down there. The ball's up in the air. Caught! Touchdown! Caught by Westbrook for a touchdown!
Wide receivers out to the right. Flutie flushed. Throws it down. Caught by Boston College. I don't believe it. It's a touchdown. The Eagles win it.